Look at my clothes. First, we have a t-shirt. Say it with me. T-shirt. And here is a blouse. It's so pretty. Can you say blouse? Now look, this is a shirt. Repeat after me. Shirt. Brr, it's getting cold. Let's wear a sweater. Sweater, warm and cozy. Do you want to be super cool? Wear a hoodie. Hoodie, cool. Put your hood up. And don't forget your jacket. Jacket, let's go outside. Wow, you learned so many clothes. Now let's check. Quick question. It's cold outside. What do we wear? Checkmark jacket. Time for some beautiful clothes. This is a dress. Dress, so lovely. Now let's look at my pants. These are jeans. Everyone loves jeans. Jeans. These are trousers. Say it with me. Trousers. Very smart. When it's sunny and hot, we wear shorts. Shorts. Cool and comfy. Great job. Now look carefully. Can you tell me? Look at the girl. What is she wearing? She is wearing a dress, a hat, and sandals. Wow, look at this suit. Suit, you look like a little boss. When we go to school, we wear a uniform. Uniform. And at night, when we are sleepy, we wear pajamas. Pajamas. Time for bed. You are doing amazing. One more quick question. Listen carefully. At night, when we go to sleep, what do we wear? A. Uniform. B. Pajamas. Correct answer. B. Pajamas. Let's put on our accessories. Put on your hat. Hat. Wear your gloves to keep your hands warm. Gloves. Now, find your socks. Socks. 1 and 2. Put on your sneakers and run fast. Sneakers. Or you can wear sandals. Sandals. Perfect for the beach. Shoes time. Quick question. When we go to the beach, what shoes do we wear? Sandals. Excellent job, kids. It is sunny. It is sunny today. Sunny, sunny. Let's say, sunny. Oh, it is hot. It is hot today. I need water. Hot, hot. Everyone, hot. Look at the sky. It is cloudy. It is cloudy today. The sky is gray. Together, cloudy. Oh, no. It is rainy. It is rainy today. Don't forget your raincoat. Repeat after me. Rainy. Boom. It is a thunderstorm. It is a thunderstorm. Stay inside. Loud and clear. Thunderstorm. Whoosh. It is windy. It is windy. My hat is flying. Windy, windy. Brr, tilde. It is cold. It is cold. I wear my jacket. Cold, cold. Say it with me. Cold. Wow. It is snowy. It is snowy. Let's build a snowman. Snowy, snowy, one more time. Snowy. Look, it is foggy. It is foggy. I can't see far. Nice and slow. Foggy. Whoa. It is a storm. It is a storm. Stay safe inside. Big voice. Storm. Quick time. Listen carefully and choose the right answer. Look outside. The sun is up. What's the weather? Rainy or sunny? It is sunny. Sunny! Brottilda, I wear my jacket. What's the weather? Hot or cold? It is cold. Cold. Great job today. You did amazing. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to support us. Your subscription helps us make more videos. Thank you.